Hey there, soccer enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special lined up for all you wingers out there, the DKHHN men's soccer shoes. Are these the best soccer cleats for wingers on the market? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk traction. As a winger, you need explosive speed and quick direction changes, right? Well, these bad boys boast a cutting-edge stud pattern on their durable rubber outsole, providing exceptional traction. Translation? You'll be tearing up the field with confidence. But it's not just about performance, style matters too. These DKHHN soccer shoes bring a timeless elegance with their sleek low-cut design and classic lace closure. Trust me, you'll be turning heads both on and off the pitch. These turf soccer shoes are all about unparalleled comfort. With a cushioned insole and breathable materials, your feet will stay cool and comfortable even during the most intense matches. But hey, we keep it real here. Not everyone's experience is perfect. Some users, like STNWorks, found them too narrow for wider feet. And Princesa Blanco had a rough time, calling them remarkably uncomfortable. So, what's the final verdict? Are these the best soccer cleats for wingers? Well, with superior traction, timeless style, and unmatched comfort, they certainly make a strong case. But as always, it comes down to personal preference. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep kicking goals and dominating the field. See you in the next video.